In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a data spike in Star Wars Outlaws. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, data spikes are actually literally found at the start of the game. So this is in one of the opening missions of the game, or pretty much the first opening mission, where you acquire a data spike and you need to get inside of this club. So what you want to do, they're going to basically be used in these areas where you're going to see like this little area where you need to go in and access a certain room. So basically you have to time it with the little flashes. So as the light on the right flashes yellow, you want to time your lock-in button. So mine is left click. You want to time it with that. So it goes like 1, 2, 3. And then every time you go ahead and do it, as you can see, it's now unlocking it. And if you mess up, it kind of jams. So you got to make sure you do it properly, right on point, like so. And then after a few more, it's going to end up unlocking. As you can see, it now just fully unlocked. And that's literally how you use a data spike. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there's a lot to go through.